In today's video, let me show you the way that you can get a free trial on Podimo. As you all know, to watch and subscribe to most of the audiobooks and podcasts on Podimo, you need to have a premium version. To start your free trial and see if it is worth it, you can just open up the app of Podimo, and on the top left of your screen, you'll see the option called Start a Free Trial. You can just tap on this option and then tap on Start Free Trial. It says right here 7-day free trial, then it's $4.99 per month. Just tap on the Start Free Trial button. Now here you'll need to add in a payment method. Now there are three things that you can do. Either you have a code that you can redeem, which you can tap on the first option, but because we are just subscribing to the free trial version, you can just add in your card or your PayPal ID. Whether you're using your card or your PayPal, you'll need to add in your details so that Podimo can accept and give you a 7-day free trial. So depending upon your payment method, either tap on your add card option or your add PayPal option. This way it allows you to add in your credit card details or your PayPal details, and as soon as you done so, your 7-day free trial of Podimo will immediately start off. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you get a free trial on Podimo. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.